Good morning students, welcome back to Maths class. In this measurement chapter, today we are going to learn about circle. A circle is a closed curve. All points on it are of equal distances from a fixed point in a plane. So here the fixed point is, we are denoted as O, and AB is called the diameter of the circle, and this OP is called the radius of the circle. What is the area of the circle? Yes, area of the circle is pi r square units. And this perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r units. Semicircle. Half of the circle is called semicircle. Here the fixed point is O and OP is called the radius of the circle. Semicircle. Area of the semicircle is half of the area of the circle. So here the area of the circle is pi r square. The semicircle is half of the area of the circle. That is equal to 1 by 2 pi r square units. The perimeter of the semicircle is 2r plus pi r units. Quadrant of a circle. 1/4 portion of a circle is called quadrant of a circle. So the fixed point here is denoted by O. The area of the quadrant of circle is 1/4 of the area of the circle. So the area of the circle is pi r square, and 1/4 of the area of the circle is 1 by 4 pi r square units. And perimeter of quadrant of a circle is 2r plus pi r by 2 units. Is it clear, children? Yes. So let us solve the examples. The first one is, find the area and perimeter of a semicircle of diameter 14 centimeter. So this is a semicircle. They given us like this, and the diameter is given as 14 centimeter. So if the diameter is 14 centimeter, and what about its radius? Yes, half of the diameter is called the radius. So the radius is half of 14 is 7 centimeter. The diameter is given as 14 centimeter. So from this we can find r is equal to 7 centimeter. What they ask us to find? First one is area, and the second one is perimeter. So let us find the area first. Area of a semicircle. So what is the formula? 1 by 2 pi r square units. This is equal to 1 by 2. What's the value of pi? The value of pi is 22 by 7 into the radius is r. Here they given r square. So 2 times you have to write the number 7. So unit is centimeter. So you have to write it as centimeter square, because this is a square units now. So you have to write it as centimeter square. Now we can simplify this one. You can cancel 1 7 is 7 and 1 7 is 7. Now 1 2 is 2. 11 2s are 22. So what else remaining here? 11 into 7, which is equal to 11 7s are 77 centimeter square. Step 2, we have to find perimeter of a semicircle. So what is the formula? Yes, 2r plus pi r units. So 2 into the value of r is 7 plus pi value is 22 by 7 into 7. Here the unit is centimeter. So now you can simplify this one. 1 7 is 7, 1 7 is 7. So here 2 7s are, yes, 14 plus 22 centimeter. What's the answer? Yes, that is 36 centimeter. So area of the circle is, area of the semicircle is 77 centimeter square, and perimeter of the semicircle is 36 centimeter. Is it clear, children? Yes. Now exercise 3.3. Find the circumference of circle having the following radius. So here they given the radius as 7 centimeter. So let us solve this one. So this is a circle of radius they have given us 7 centimeter. Now they ask us to find the circumference of the circle. So what is the formula to find circumference of the circle? The circumference is nothing but perimeter of the circle, which is equal to 2 pi r units. 2 into what's the value of pi? Is 22 by 7, and the value of r is 7. Here the unit is centimeter, so I have to write it as centimeter. Now you can simplify this one. You can cancel these 2 7, and 2 into 22 is 44 centimeter. So you have to write it as circumference of the circle is 44 centimeter. And the next one is the radius they given us 4.9 centimeter. So now here, so this is a circle of radius is given as 4.9 centimeter. Again, the formula for circumference of the circle is 2 pi r units. So here the value of r is 4.9 and the unit is centimeter. You can cancel this 2. 1 7 is 7. So here decimal point is there. 7 7s are 49. So you can keep one decimal point here. So now you can multiply the numbers. You will get 308. So here one decimal point is there. So after one digit, here also we have to keep the decimal point. That is 30.8 centimeter. So circumference of the circle is 30.8 centimeter. Is it clear, children? Yes. Let us recall what you have learnt in today's class. Area of the circle is pi r square, square units. Perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r units. Area of the semicircle is 1 by 2 pi r square, square units. Perimeter of the semicircle is 2r plus pi r units. Area of quadrant of a circle is 1 by 4 pi r square, square units. perimeter of quadrant of a circle is 2r plus 5r by 2 units. Is it clear? Yes. Thank you.